Estimates come by processing information related to the cost and production time of the part in an order. These quotes get created along with the line items being generated automatically right after the user uploads their part. In the Line Item Estimates tab, the user can review the processing estimates on a per part or total basis. These include print times and cost calculations for anything from materials usage and post-processing. The Edit button allows you to change the line item's estimation by modifying overrides of estimated print time, bureau cost, or price, and to add any additional costs per part. You can now require an order quote on any unconfirmed order stating customer purchase order, discount, and any notes you want. Then you can choose to export the quote, which will download the document with all the information. Once you've generated the quote in the system, you can go to the quote preview and change what's in the paper-based quote to specifically define what's in the quote, in the price, and separately. You can also define prices on a line item basis by changing the given estimates or adding additional charges, which will automatically change the final cost of the quote. The platform comes with its built-in machine learning powder quoting module, which can use the printer's toolpath generator to accurately calculate printing times and material costs. It can also bring in quotes from large printing bureaus to get a market benchmark for that part. Alternatively, you can choose to integrate third-party options to handle the estimations process without sacrificing your team's established toolset. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.